The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northern Carroll County, west central Switzerland County, northern Gallatin County, until 2 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vevay, or near Carrollton, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Vevay, Markland, Florence, Sparta, Warsaw, Glencoe, Moorefield, Carrollton, English, Gant, Locust, Winona and Tandy. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN, and submit your report via social media, when you can do so safely. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.